Today we're raising our monitors, increasing the space on our desk, decreasing neck pain, as well as getting our desk exactly as we want it, with the help of our new adjustable dual monitor stand with gas spring system. And it comes shipped to your door, ready to organize your desk as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual, hardware, monitor mounts, a desk clamp, a desk mount, cable covers, a bracket, the lower monitor arms, as well as the top monitor arms. And that's everything. Installation was easy and took little time. To get started, unscrew the bottom from the desk clamp and screw that into the bracket. Then put the bottom of the clamp back on. Line up your desk mount with the holes on the bracket and screw those together. Then you can clamp it down to the back of your desk. After that's nice and secure, you can firmly push in the bottom half of the monitor arms. Then, slide in the top half of your monitor arms. Now it's time to put the mounts onto the back of the monitor. So flip over your monitor and line the mount up with the holes. Screw those down, and then remove the locking bolt from the top of your monitor mounts. Slide your monitors into the slot, then screw the bolts back into the top to secure the monitors down. Plug in your monitors, and then you can put on the cable covers to hide the cables and keep the design more clean. Now you can position the monitors wherever you want. You can raise and lower them using the gas spring system. You can rotate them 360 degrees, and you can even swivel them 90 degrees. So once you get it exactly where you want, you can tighten them down, and then you're ready to go. They can fit 17-inch to 32-inch monitors, and hold up to 22 pounds per arm. And honestly, it feels really sturdy. And not only do my monitors feel more secure, but I have more space on my desk now. But my favorite feature is now that my monitors are raised up off the desk, I get to look up at them now. Before this, I was looking down at my monitors, and I would get really bad neck pain after long hours of working. But now, my neck isn't strained and feels so much better. I'm being more productive now, and I'm not distracted by pain, and I just love the way it looks. Additionally, there's two mounting options. You can do the method I showed earlier, or you can use the grommet hole method. It also suggests, if you'd like even more height on your monitors, you can insert a block in between the clamp. This will give you a couple more inches of clearance. So if you're looking to get your monitors off the desk, and quit looking down at your monitors as well, this dual monitor mount might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go get some work done at my desk. See ya.